Hello. So let's solve today's problem. This is maximum ascending subarray sum, and it is a very easy problem. It says, given an array of positive integer nums, return the maximum possible sum of an ascending subarray in nums. Return the maximum possible sum of an ascending subarray in nums. That means we have to find the ascending subarrays, and we have to get the sum of each of them, and we have to tell that which is the maximum sum. So for example, I can see the a strictly increasing subarray is like this, and its sum is 30 plus 20 plus 10 is 60, and then it breaks after 5. So this is also an ascending subarray. Its sum is 50 plus 60 plus 65. So 65 is greater than 60, so the answer is 65. That's it. If we see this, the whole array is in ascending order. So the entire array will be the subarray with the maximum sum. So its sum is 150. So let's see this. 12, 17. Okay, the sum will be 29, and then it breaks. Then the next increasing subarray is 10, 11, 12, whose sum will be 33. So 33 is greater than the sum of this subarray, that is 29. So we will return 33. So I hope you have understood the question. So let's solve this question, and you will get to know by code how will we solve this. So I will start with the very basic steps. So I'll find first the size of array. Num equals to nums dot size. Then I will take a sum variable int sum and a maxi variable in which I will store the maximum sum of the subarrays equals to int min. I will take it as int min. Okay, so I will simply iterate the loop for int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. I've started the loop from 1 because I will start from first index and I will compare with the previous index to check if it is strictly increasing. So that's why I will initialize sum with nums of 0. Okay. So if nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1, means it is following the order of strictly increasing. Then what I will do, I will increment I will add that nums of I in sum plus equals to nums of I. So this is the case of such examples like this 10, 20, because 20 is greater than 10, 30 is greater than 20. So in case if the element is lesser than the previous element, means the streak breaks, then we will write an else condition over here. Else what we will do in such a case like this, when the streak of strictly increasing subarray breaks, then we will compare it with the previous maxi. So I will do maxi equals to max of the previous maxi and the sum I've got till now. The sum I got till now is stored in sum. That's it. And then what I will do, okay, so I found the maxi until here, and then I will reset my sum variable with the this value. Sum equals to nums of I. So this is how it will work. And in the next iteration, but it will reach the ith index will reach on 10. It will again compare that nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. Yes, it is true. So I will add sum plus equals to nums of I, and sum will at this point become 15. And again, it will iterate at the last index. It will again say that yes, some nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. So I will again add I will again add nums of I in sum. So, okay. But what if this is fine, right? And what if at the end there is no one to compare? Like at the last index, after iterating all the indexes, I got the maxi equals to sum of this 60. But in originally my answer should be this. So what I will do in the last, after doing all this, I will do one thing. Maxi equals to max of maxi comma sum, because there was no one to interrupt. Like it was strictly increasing till the end, but there was no one to tell that we have to fix maxi again here. So in the end, I will do again this max equals to max of previous maxi and the new sum that I have got till now. So that's it. I will return my maxi variable. Okay. So I will submit this. Okay, this is working fine. Um, okay, let's dry run over this example. Let's dry run our code on this example. So keep in mind these variables, num is n is nums of num size and sum is sum num 0, max is int min. Okay, so I will start from the first index where I equals to 1. Okay, so yes, for I equals to 1, this condition will hold true and sum will become, I will do one thing, I will write a sum variable also. Sum equals to nums of sum's original value and the new nums of I, that will become 29. So 29, okay. So my I in the next iteration will become 2. So on coming over to 15, the streak will break. So my maxi will be updated. My maxi will become what? The maximum of maxi and the sum, that will be 29. Okay, my sum will reset by this value. Sum equals to nums of I. My sum will reset by this value. Okay, 15. So again, coming over to the next iteration, 13. Yeah, 13 is not greater than the previous value. So it will come in the else part. Again, maxi equals to max of maxi comma sum. So it will not change. And my sum value will become now reset. My sum will be resetted. 13. Again, I can see on coming over to the next iteration. I don't remember what's the iteration number. So coming over to 10, this will again reset and my sum value will become 10. And now the streak will continue. 11, 12 will get added into my sum plus 11 plus 12 because it will fall in this if condition. So it will become equals to 33. Okay, so but after iterating the loop, my maxi wasn't will not get updated by 33. So I have to manually update it at the end of iterations. Max equals to max of the maxi and the current sum, that is right now 33. So my code will then return 33. So that's it. Thank you.